Hello my dear students. Today we are going to discuss our next topic, section formula. We have already seen the distance formula. This is the second part of coordinate geometry and this is the important part also. So we will see, we are going to see how to derive this formula and what is section formula. Okay, shall we start? So here consider the xy plane. This is x, this is y, 0. So consider the 2 points in the plane. One is A and one is B. A, B are the 2 points on the plane. So we have already learned that the distance between the 2 points on the plane can be calculated using the distance formula. Okay. So in this section, we are going to see the different way. That is, A, B are the 2 points. Their coordinates are x1, y1 and B coordinate is x2, y2. Okay. Now, there is one point. That point is going to split the line segment AB. Okay, consider the point is P. The point is going to split or intersect the line segment or divide the line segment at the point P, and the coordinate of P is x, y. Okay, so we need to find out the coordinate of P. So how will you find out? That means there are 2 points. From the line segment is divided into using one point in any of the ratio. That ratio is M1 and M2. That means the point P divide the line segment A, B in the ratio M1 and M2. We need to find out the coordinate of xy. So how will you find out? Using section formula. For that we are going to derive the section formula for finding the coordinates of 2 line segments which divides the line segment. Okay. So how will you find out? Now I am going to draw a perpendicular line from A to x-axis. I am going to denote it as D. Same way, from P, I am going to draw one perpendicular line to the x-axis. This is E, and also from B, I am going to draw one perpendicular line, that is F. Okay, now see, I am going to draw one perpendicular line to this line also. This I am going to denote it as M, and from P to FP, this is also I am going to denote it as N. Okay, so our drawing is over. Now consider this. This triangle. We'll get one triangle, right? Same way, this is also one triangle. We got 2 triangles. Now consider the triangle. This is triangle AMP and this is the triangle PNB. Now see this angle. Both the triangle, this angle, I am going to say that both triangle, these 2 angles are same. This is right angle, right? So these 2 angles are same way this 2 angle and this 2 angle. That 2 angles are same because they are the corresponding angles. Both angles are same. So according to similarity criteria, that similar triangles you have not studied we will discuss the condition later. So there is one condition for similar triangle. If 2 triangles are said to be similar, their angle should be, the corresponding angle should be equal and the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. That is the condition for the similarity of triangle that we will study detailed in our 6th chapter triangle. So today you have to focus only these two conditions. When two triangles are said to be similar, that their corresponding angle should be equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Okay, so consider their two angles are equal. So we can say triangle AMP is similar. This is the symbol for similar. Similar to triangle PNB. This is the similarity criteria. The similarity criteria, similar triangle, everything we are going to study in the next chapter. So you just focus out the two conditions. Okay. Now I told you that when the two triangles are said to be similar, their corresponding angles equal and the corresponding length are in the same ratio. Now see, this length AP and PB. This triangles, this length and this triangle, this length should be in the equal same ratio. That is AP by PB. That is, we are denoting it as a ratio, right? So AP upon PB is equal to, and this two length and this length, that is AM divided by upon this length is PN. Their corresponding angles are in the same ratio. Now this length and this length, PM upon BN. Okay, agree? Is it clear? So this the condition for similarity, that is their corresponding length are in the same ratio. Now listen here. I told you this point, this is the point A, the coordinate with the coordinate x1 and y1. So from O to D, origin to the distance D, the distance is, we can say this, from this to this distance is x1, right? Because this is x1, y1, so it meets the point at D. This is D1. The coordinate of D is x1, 0, x1. Now O to E distance, if I am taking O to E, what is the coordinate? X. So O to E should be x. Clear? Distance. Now DE, the distance between D and E. What is the distance between D and E? That is, from O to D it is x1 and O to E it is x. So D to E is x minus x1, right? So when this DE is x minus x1, what is AM? These two lengths are same. So this length and this length is same, right? So we can say AM is equal to x minus x1. That is the length. Same way we are going to see PN. This PN is equal to, what is PN? This is P and this is E, N. So O to F distance, what is the coordinate? X2. Okay. Now O to F. O to F is x2. We need to find out EF because we need PN. PN and EF are equal length. So EF is equal to OF minus OE. That is x2 minus OE, distance is x. So PN is equal to x2 minus x. Clear? Same way we are going to see PM. What is PM? PM is this. So obviously this is one horizontal line, that is y-axis. So from I am going to draw one perpendicular from here. This coordinate is y1. This is y1. From P, I'm going to draw one parallel line, that is y, and from B it is y2. Okay. Now PM, we know PM, this length is y1, we know. So PM is this length minus this length. So y minus y1. Y minus y1. Now Bn. Bn is equal to same way. Same procedure we applied here, no? That only we are going to apply here also. Bn. Bn is equal to y2 minus y. So till that clear. Now we are going to apply the value here. AP by PB. AP, the distance we are given at M1, and P to B it is M2. So we are going to write it as M1 by M2 is equal to AM. Instead of AM we have x minus x1 divided by Pn. x2 minus x equal to, instead of Pm we have y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1. So this is the ratio we found from this section. Okay, now we are going to take this 2 after this 2, equalizing. Okay.